Wondered what laws are in place to protect cross-border workers in Switzerland? Today we delve into this topic, shedding light on the existing legislations, how they work, and their limitations. In Switzerland, the legislation governing cross-border workers is the Federal Act on Cross-Border Workers, or LTF. This law ensures that cross-border workers enjoy the same rights as Swiss workers in terms of salary, working conditions, social security, and social insurance. The LTF includes provisions such as cross-border workers are entitled to the legal minimum wage, which has been set at 23.68 Swiss francs per hour since the 1st of January 2023. Cross-border workers enjoy the same social protection as Swiss workers, especially in terms of health insurance, disability insurance, and old age insurance. Cross-border workers are entitled to paid annual leave, which is set at 4 weeks per year. However, despite these guarantees, cross-border workers often face discrimination and violation of their rights. This is due to several factors, including the distance between their place of residence and their workplace, which can lead to delays that are not always accepted by companies. Language barriers, as cross-border workers may not always be fluent in French or German. The fear of losing their job, as cross-border workers are less protected by Swiss legislation than Swiss workers. Indeed, cross-border workers are often reluctant to report their employer for fear of retaliation. In 2022, the Swiss Confederation passed a law to strengthen the protection of cross-border workers. This law includes the creation of an online information platform for cross-border workers and facilitates the process of filing a complaint against an employer who does not respect the minimum wage. It remains to be seen whether this law will reduce the number of cross-border workers paid below the minimum wage. In Switzerland, 12 cantons have introduced a legal minimum wage. These cantons are Geneva, Basel City, Neuchâtel, Jura, Vaud, Valais, Fribourg, Schaffhausen, Lucerne, Soleure, and Zurich. The minimum wage in these cantons is generally between 23 and 25 Swiss francs per hour. The remaining 21 cantons have not yet introduced a legal minimum wage. In these cantons, the minimum wage is set by collective labor agreements. In conclusion, Swiss legislation on cross-border workers is a significant step forward, but it is not enough to effectively protect cross-border workers. There is a need to strengthen the fight against discrimination and violation of cross-border workers' rights. Potential measures to strengthen the protection of cross-border workers include improving awareness among cross-border workers about their rights and the procedures to assert them, facilitating access to justice for cross-border workers who are victims of discrimination or violation of their rights, creating cooperation mechanisms between Swiss authorities and authorities in bordering countries. By implementing these measures, Switzerland could contribute to creating a fairer and more equitable environment for cross-border workers. In conclusion, the minimum wage is a crucial measure to protect cross-border workers in Switzerland. It guarantees a basic level of income, ensuring their rights are respected and they are treated fairly. However, more needs to be done to eliminate discrimination and ensure their rights are fully protected. This concludes our discussion on the laws protecting cross-border workers in Switzerland. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on similar topics.